Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alford. I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry I've not been able to make videos here recently. I suffered from a sports injury and ended up having to have hip replacement surgery. Now, I'm going to show you a product. I had already decided that I was going to be doing product reviews, even though this has absolutely nothing to do with sewing or anything related to that. However, I found a product that I just wanted to share with you that was a lifesaver after hip replacement. We own a two-story house. It's an old farmhouse, so the stairs going to the second floor are very steep. And I was a little concerned before surgery about whether I could go up and down steps efficiently. So instead of buying a bed for the downstairs or even doing a hospital bed downstairs, I went on a mission and found this terrific chair that goes into a sleep position, and I wanted to share the information with you. And I think you're going to find it very helpful and very useful. It's a great chair. You can get it through Amazon. I'm going to leave you some links. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them for you. Just a quick disclaimer, I just wanted to let you know I am not a medical doctor. However, I have degrees in business, but again, just wanted to mention that to you. I'm not a physician, MD doctor, in case you're wondering. Now, this is the chair that we chose. We selected a taupe color, which is a neutral. It's a very soft and durable fabric with a slight texture to it. The wonderful thing about this company, they've actually developed a number of different styles and different sizes of chairs to meet different needs of people. In addition, it also comes in different weight capacities. What I mean by that, they also have chairs that are a little bit bigger than this that holds folks that are a little bit heavier. And that's the really nice thing about it. This company has figured out that people come in all sorts of sizes and shapes and heights, and they have a variety of chairs to choose from. So I'm going to actually leave a link in for Amazon that has these different styles of chairs. So here's the remote for the chair. It's a nice sized remote that's actually hooked to the chair. It has big buttons on it so that you can read it very clearly. It also is lit, so at nighttime, if you're asleep or there's no lights on, you can actually see the keys and they're pretty well lit. It has the different functions. At the top of this, you can see there's an up key, that's the lift part of this. The next button is a reclining position. The ZG stands for zero gravity. There's a TV position. There is a sitting position, a sleep position, and at the very bottom you can see that there's a remote to actually change the back position and the footrest. So those are two separate motors. So this is the UltraComfort chair, that's the brand. It's a multi-function lift recliner, and it is a must-have if you've had knee or hip replacement. I think it's a great chair. So once you've had hip replacement surgery, they're going to tell you that you can't put all your weight on the reconstructed hip or knee. So the one thing that's great about this chair, it has a lift portion of this, and I'm actually almost in the upright position. I only have a little bit to lift to get to the actual walker. So it's really great, and I don't have to put a lot of energy and effort in my arms to get up out of the chair. So in the next quick section, you're actually going to hear, I'm going from a standing position to a sitting position. You can see how quiet the motor actually is. So in the section to follow, I'm going to take you through each of the functions so you can see how quiet it is. I'm not going to talk during this section so you can see as a traveler in the chair how comfortable it is. In addition, at the very end, I'm going to give you some suggestions to make the chair a little bit more comfortable as you're recovering from your surgery, and just some helpful hints to keep it a little bit more clean since you're going to be sitting and maybe sleeping in it for a week or two. So as you can see, this has multi-functions that are easy to use, easy to see, nice big keypad to be able to maneuver your chair. So here are a few suggestions to make your chair a little more comfortable. I used a cotton sheet that I changed out almost every night to keep your chair a little bit more clean. I used disposable waterproof pads underneath the seat as where I sat down. And I also used a couple extra pillows under my elbows at night, which also helped in support. It depends on what kind of chair you end up purchasing. So again, thanks for joining me today, and I hope that you'll be able to find this recliner. Again, I'm going to shoot some links underneath in the comments section of this video so you can find all the things that we talked about, including the chair from Amazon.